This is a great event. And I came back today because the first time I came out here, they gave me a sledgehammer and had me knock a hole in the wall. And I'm thought of today about how much this building has changed, and we just talked a few minutes ago about how Open Door has changed over the decades and how society's changed, and opened this building to everybody, made it visible. 25 years ago, this wouldn't have happened. So what a great event. Really looking forward to this, and it's great for the community, great for the city of Elgin.
I just want to thank everybody for coming out here, especially the mayor. I was here with him when we were knocking down walls. Even got my 5-year-old daughter involved. But no, it's been a great change. I've been on the board about 9 years, and it's been a big change even in those years. I've been very humbled by the experience working with the staff and helping everybody out, and just this great show of the community out here. Just want to thank all of you for your commitment to Open Door, and many great years ahead.
So first I want to welcome everybody for being here today. Thank you for joining us for this grand opening. Thank you very much. It's a great honor to have you with us. I'd like to first off thank the fellow members of the Facilities Committee that helped ensure that this building was purchased. And then also want to thank the Build Out Subcommittee for making some very wise choices in the design of the building and the furnishings of the building, and also for making a fantastic choice in our contractor, Bear, wherever they're at. Where's Bear?
Victor.
Victor, thank you. I also want to thank the Relocation Subcommittee for ensuring a seamless move, though it did take 2 months to fully unpack. Finally, I want to thank the Board of Directors for supporting me in the role of making this the new home for Open Door Clinic's Health Center of Elgin. And sometimes we know what we really need to do, but are afraid to do it. Taking a chance and stepping beyond the safety of the world we've always known is the only way to grow. Without risk, there is no reward. This building is the reward for the risk we took to move out of our comfort zone and allow Open Door to grow and increase the services and support that we provide. This building will allow us, after 38 years, to become more visible in our community. We would also like to thank, or would like everyone to know, that we have many great services to offer, including primary care, and to serve as a patient-centered medical home to provide quality, comprehensive, and cost-effective health services to our community. Part of a high-quality healthcare includes providing a place where clients can gather without fear of stigma or discrimination, while being valued and respected for their differences. And our new building has been designed to improve the quality of care Open Door delivers, while focusing on the wholeness of the client. At our previous location, the waiting room was adequate, but it was gloomy. Our clients were often distressed and afraid, and would only occasionally glance at one another across the waiting room, with little conversation or engagement. A few weeks ago, I was here at this location for a meeting with David. I walked into the building and was faced with something I had not seen previously at our other location. We had 4 clients that clearly were not together. However, they were seated in the waiting room, they were laughing, they were talking, they were watching TV and enjoying some complimentary coffee. So this building will allow Open Door to provide a place where our clients can feel welcome at any time.
This organization plays such a key component in the fabric of social services in our greater Elgin area. We are thrilled that you are here continuing to deliver services, needed services, in the greater Elgin area. So thank you for all that you've done, and as a major employer with us as well. 1, 2, 3.
Everybody, I just want to say thank you. What a great opportunity. Open Door is so proud to be able to host this moment, and for the board, for the staff, for the volunteers, and for you all. Thanks for celebrating with us.